Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. India will be celebrating its 75th year of Independence Day on August 15, 2021, and the entire nation is gripped into patriotic mood. To mark this momentous occasion and to give it a different level of feeling, India and Russia have agreed to the terms for manufacturing the AK-203 assault rifles. The manufacturing of the AK-203 in India has been delayed for a long time, and now seeing this news coming, it gives a big relief for the defense forces, especially for Indian Army and Central Police Forces. As per the recent update from defense sources, it looks like the discussion regarding the cost negotiation, the transfer of technology, and other manufacturing related decisions has been finalized, and very soon the most awaited guns would be manufactured in India. During earlier discussions, it was agreed that these rifles would be manufactured in the Amethi Rifles factory, which was inaugurated in March 2019. Manufacturing would be taken care by the Russian-Indian joint venture, which is Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited. The requirement for such powerful guns were raised by the Indian Army since they were looking for a more powerful rifle than the Indian INSAS rifles. The AK-203, as intended for the Indian Armed Forces, features some differences compared to the basic Russian assault rifle. You can refer to my earlier video to know more about the AK-203 rifles of Russia. I have provided the link for the same in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. Initially, it was agreed that once the first 1 lakh rifles are manufactured, the technology transfer clause of AK-203 deal will be fulfilled, but now not sure if it remains the same or if there is any change in it. All components of this most updated rifle of AK family will be manufactured in India, giving a good meaning for the Make in India route. Once these guns are manufactured and provided to Indian Army and Central Police Forces, it would help them in fighting the terrorism and for carrying out major operations in Jammu and Kashmir region. These guns, along with the Sig Sauer assault rifles of the United States, will give a major boost for defense forces of India. So let's expect these AK-203 rifles to be manufactured in India at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.